Hey guys, this is another S Group Daily Review video number 132. Alright, we got our earnings last night. Amazing night last night, guys. Look at that, 0.64% on the profits traded and earned. So as you see here, together I made $134.19. These two figures combined. Just think, guys, I made that in one day. $134.19 American in one day. Oh, it's pretty sweet. It's like around maybe like 170 Canadian where I'm at up here in Canada. But I made that in one day, so that got added to my uh, total monthly earnings, $342.39. So I made that in 6 days, guys. Just think, in 6 days, I've made $342.39. Like, think about that. Now, if you had this money in the bank, would you have made this amount of money in 6 days? No thought required with that. I'm going to answer for you because I know what you're thinking. No, we wouldn't have made that in 6 days. Um, so moving right along, as you see, I'm 26,000. I got these two in here for my extra cash. Now this 372 and whatever I make on top of that with the bonuses, team bonuses, I'm going to be taking that out probably, yeah, next week Friday, not this Friday. So I'm going to take that out, enjoy the money, pay some bills, do what I got to do, and I'm going to keep things moving, guys. 6 days in, I also have, as you see here, it says number 2 of 3, so I have another day within 90 days. I can combine this investment with another one, but what I'm doing is I'm combining them once every 28 days. So when this says day 28, then I'm just going to combine it. Just kind of do it like that. That's the best way to do it, because once you get to the fourth day, you're actually over 90 days. So then you can just keep combining. So so let's look at this graph, guys. Like, take a look at this. It's been hovering around the same, and then we just shot up yesterday, 0.64. So it would be nice if we can get back to what we used to have back in the days. Look at this, 1.22, 1.11. I mean, it's insane. Like, with the amount of money I have invested, if I have a day like that, I'm gonna be making like 300-400 bucks, man, in one day. Well, it's incredible. But I'm really excited about this, guys. If you're just kind of stumbling upon S Group, you're thinking about joining, it's a really great way to make a passive income. I've been in the company for, yeah, about 2.5 years now, since October 2020. As you see now, it's April 25th, 2003. As I make this video, and yeah, I've been making passive income automatically, just having the money invested. So just think, in 2.5 years, guys, I made $24,690 just for having my money in the system, guys. It's phenomenal. So I was looking at my videos from a year ago, and excuse me, I was at 12,000 in my total initial principal here. Now, as you see, I'm at 26,000. So yeah, incredible. So just think, a year from now, 2 years from now, it's gonna be well over like 40, 50,000, guys. And as I go along, I'm enjoying the money because I'm taking the money out, do what I need to do with it, pay bills, go to a movie, go, maybe take a trip or something, whatever. So if you guys really want to look into S Group, maybe look in the back office, check a few things out, go to click on my sign up link down below in the description of the video. You will sign up underneath my team, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have, no matter where you are in the world. Shoot me an email, I'll respond right away, and we'll get your account going. I had a couple new members in the Philippines who signed up, so we have to get them going. So no matter where you are, love to hear from you. Love to have you on my team. Sign up, and we'll get things moving. And also, don't forget to click on the the subscribe link down below in the video. You will subscribe to my channel. You can see all my new videos that come out, and I'll just update you on how things are moving along with S Group. Any new advancements and updates, But pretty much everything's straightforward in the back office. You guys can just go in there and look around. So that being said, that ends the 5-minute daily review video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.